Hi, today we're going to be creating a scalar valued function inside of Microsoft SQL Server 2016 in Management Studio. So I'm going to connect to my database server. I'm going to expand my databases. I'm going to go to a database and expand it. And I'm going to go to programmability and then go to functions. Right click functions, new, scalar value function. And here you'll have a function that you can create using a template. I'll go ahead and show you how to do this. So what you want to do is create your function name. I'm going to be creating a function here that will actually go and use my customer table. It has a customer ID, a first name, last name, and image date fields. So what I'm going to do here with this function, I'm going to pass in a customer ID, a big int, and then it's going to return an invarchar 300. The invarchar 300 is my invarchar 150 plus the 150 of first name and last name, and plus the space. So we're going to add a 1. And here's a data type right here. We're assigning an invarchar of 301, and we are going to assign that first name space last name to the customer name variable, where the customer ID is the passed in input parameter customer ID. So this customer ID is in my where clause, so it only returns back one value because that is the primary key. So it's a unique value. And then I'm going to spit out my customer name. It's going to return customer name. And here we're going to pass in a customer ID. We're going to use the customer name stored function, the stored function customer name, and we're going to pass in the customer ID, and we're going to give it an alias of customer name. So I'm going to alter this procedure, this function. It compiled successfully, and I'm going to execute the function. And here you can see customer name is now the fields first name and last name concatenated together with one space, just like you see here. And it passes in a customer ID right here. That's in my where clause of this function. And it returns the first name, last name. So like and subscribe. I'll have more videos on how to create different database objects. And if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you.